This taco chili is great on a cool day, and it's great for family gatherings too. We had our children over to celebrate a few birthdays recently, and this is one of their favorite meals. So let's get started on this. Go ahead and scramble up 2 pounds of ground beef or ground turkey. I have ground turkey. Make sure you rinse it and drain it. Add 1 pack of taco seasoning mix, give it a stir, and then we are going to add another pack of taco seasoning mix. Go ahead again and give that a stir. Now while that taco seasoning mix is cooking into that turkey burger, go ahead and add 2 cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes to a large pot. Now add that ground turkey or ground beef to the pot. Now we are going to add 3 cans of chili beans. Go ahead and give that a stir and mix all those flavors together. Add just a little bit of salt, and now we're going to add 1 can of diced green chilies. And that's optional. Some people don't like it spicy, but we do. Go ahead and stir those green chilies in. This is so hearty and delicious, you'll want a second bowl. Look at that. Yum! It is so good over Indian fry bread. A dear sweet friend of mine gave me this recipe a long time ago. It's a family recipe for Indian fry bread, and I promised her I wouldn't give it away, and a promise is a promise. But here you can see me making it. You can always look up a recipe for Indian fry bread. But you take this taco chili and put it on that Indian fry bread, and then you top it with onions and olives and sour cream and also lettuce, tomato, and cheese. And this meal is so good. I've been making this for over 20 years and my kids still request it. This taco chili is great all by itself. This is my recipe, and you can always look up an Indian fry bread recipe to go along with it.